Range Rover Classic, 8 cylinders, 3.5 liters, built in 1976. We open the driver's door and time stands still. A neglected interior, worn but full of history. The engine bay tells a story of decades gone by, untouched and tired, yet complete. Looking underneath, the surprise appears. A solid chassis and a strong body, still standing proud after nearly 50 years. As expected for its age, the sills show wear and corrosion, scars earned over a lifetime of use. This old Range Rover may be forgotten, but it is far from finished. We are going to make it better than it ever was from the factory. Not just restored, but reborn. Every bolt, every panel, every detail will be touched by passion, not compromise. This is more than a rebuild. It is a promise to the machine and to ourselves. Our passion is unstoppable, and this Range Rover story is far from over.